I think I can try a letter Della. Yeah, just try Della today. Try my name. Cut it. Yeah. Thank you. I'm going to try Della. So first I fold the loop. Yeah, I fold the loop here. This one here. This. And we are going to fold it at the back. And tight. Then tight the top of the wire. I'm going to bend it here. D. And then here we go put the plier here. Then we are going to fold it here. It's D and okay. Then we go wrap the E here. We wrap the letter E. D, E. Okay, D, E, and here we go the letter L. L. L, we wrap here, put it here. And we're going to fold it. It's L. And D, E, L, L. Why the L is like this? A little strange. Okay. Then A. Here I make it wrong, not going to wrap like this. Yeah, it should be go directly fold it back here. Okay, the A wrap wrong. Okay, so here, Della. Okay, thank you. So we're done. We're done the Della. A wrap it in a mistake actually. But when you wrap it wrong, you just continue, because if you want to pull the wire back, it will going to be more ugly. Okay, so L, maybe I need to check how to make it nicer. Okay, so Della here, done. Okay, here we finish the